Hey guys, so got a big update for you guys. See that desk behind me? It's gonna finally start being used. I'm getting a computer tomorrow. It's not gonna be the best high-end gaming computer per se, but it is going to be a very decent computer in which I can game and which I can create content and better videos. With that said, there's a little hint in what I just said as to what's coming up on this channel. Gaming videos as well. I will be vlogging as well, maybe not as much, however, but the gaming videos should start either this weekend or next week, depending on what happens this weekend. I may be going on a cruise thanks to a couple of good friends of mine down here in Florida. So, final word as to if I'm going on that cruise will be coming tomorrow afternoon, Thursday the 15th. So if I am going on that cruise, there will be a lot of vlogs done on that boat. There will be plenty of content as well. If I don't go, there will be plenty of content still, but there will also be gaming videos, gaming related videos as well. So, as well as an upgrade in editing. Videos will be done better quality, better content, and also better editing. If I haven't said that 2, 3, 4, 5 times already. So, with that said, I'm going to leave it there. I hope all of you have a wonderful day, good day and good night, weekend, vacation, whenever you're watching this. So, peace out, Girl Scout, and I will talk to y'all later.